The spring is here, and it is the correct time to start your lawn preparation for that green and lush lawn year-round. Do these 4 steps that will help your lawn stay healthy throughout the season. Welcome to MG Factor. Today is April 22nd and the lawn looks fantastic, just 2 or 3 weeks into spring. Quick note, at this point of the year, you will have rabbit babies in your lawn hiding in the grass. So just be mindful while you do your lawn mowing. I found this running right next to the mower, and he was hiding next to the swimming pool and not moving at all. So just be careful while you do that. So the step 1 is to mow your lawn. Mowing lawn as low as you are comfortable. I would say 1.5 inches. You will be thinking this is too low and not appropriate, but you will thank me with the next step. This will clean up all your leaves and the debris left in the winter, such as the pine cone. This process will also pick up all the dead grasses from the lawn. Your good grass will come growing throughout the season. Now the next step in this process is dethatching. So I have this earthwise dethatcher, which is a very simple tool, easy to operate, easy to maintain, no fuss about that. This is electric motor operated, easy to use. You just have to connect your power cord. Just be mindful of using any GFCI cord, so that it can trip. It comes with these metal prongs, which works as an rake. These metal clips will act as a rake and scrape the dead grass out of the lawn. This is a simple machine and uses a motor to spin the metal. I will show you in just few passes, and you will see how much debris of dead grass ends up in your lawn. You don't need a gas powered or battery operated for this use. This is very inexpensive, and once done you can store them and no maintenance is required. So in just couple of passes you can see how much dead grass clips ends up in your lawn. So this create a thatch underneath which stops penetrating any kind of fertilizer or applications that you do, which never ends up in the ground, rather than it washes off when it's raining. The next process is to fertilize. You can apply fertilizer early in the spring with slow release fertilizer, which has biosolids like melanganites and nitrogen blend. Also look for iron to add that dark green color in your lawn. You can buy all these products separately, but look for something which has a blend of all 3. The great benefits of doing all this early is to free weed control. Doing this early in the season will help not to fertilize those weeds stock growing in the lawn. So I want you to do some steps less in the process which save time and effort. If you follow these steps, your lawn will look great and dominate the neighborhood. If you found this video helpful, do hit the bell icon so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. Do like, share and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.